What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Boomer's Blades. Hope everybody's having a good Sunday evening. So these were supposed to be unboxings. Didn't work out that way. I got the Caribbean yesterday and the Burnt Bright Green Bone Corncob Jig Mini Trapper today. Let's look at the Caribbean Blue Bone Saw Cut Jig Mini Trapper stainless steel. So here's the born on date was 3/15/2024. I can see that. This thing was, I guess it had been sitting a while. When I first received it, it had a lot of grime in it. It wouldn't even snap. The spade blade, I don't know if it'll do it, but I had to make some adjustments. See how it just kind of sits up there? You got to bring it down. It does that once in a while. I mean, not a big deal, right? The show side looks pretty nice. From what I can see, the blades are centered. The show side's pretty decent. The pile side is even nicer. I kind of like that. A little better than the show side. No gapping. I sharpened it up myself, so let's do a little knife test here. See how it does. Yeah, it's pretty sharp. So anyway, it does match my my sky blue pretty good. Yeah, matches pretty good with the little set. Probably end up using it with the sky blue set till I can get the Caribbean Trapper and Sod Buster. And yeah, they do have a Sod Buster. Anyway, so it doesn't have a loose blade, but it has a weak snap and a lazy when it comes down. It's kind of lazy. But it's all around a good knife. I like it. This is my first Caribbean saw cut. This is my second. It's my second mini trapper. Okay, now for the other one, let's look at the Burnt Bright Green Bone Corncob Jig Mini Trapper. 6207. Born on date was 12/3/2024. This one's pretty nice. I just unboxed it. The shield is a little recessed, kind of sticks out a little. But I've already checked it. Blades are good. I haven't cleaned it or anything. Like I said, I just now opened it, so it's a little grimy. But the burnt on the show side's really nice. See any gapping? And the pile side's pretty nice too. You guys probably seen my video on these two. I know on one of the videos I burnt it a little too much, so I was able to get some of it off on the Sod Buster, and I'm happy with it. Little case paste and case eraser did the job. this is really nice. I really like to burn on the mini trapper. Looks really good. So the Three Amigos, I got a couple pairs like this. Oh, I forgot to mention, it's a Shepherd Hills exclusive. They all are actually, but I just got the mini trapper. So I am going to clean it up and definitely be a user. So my third mini trapper, and I really like them. It's a good knife, good pocket carry. It's got a good snap, pretty decent. Not like my, I mean, they all vary, right? But the Buffalo has a real heavy snap. The Buffalo Horn mini trapper. I think the more you play with them, there's just probably a lot of grime and grease in there. We'll have to clean that up. That looks pretty bad. Well, I just wanted to share the couple of knives with you. I hope everybody has a good evening, and you guys have a great week. Take care. Thanks for watching.